So if you're ready for a new roof, and if you're choosing a 3-tab shingle for your house in the Triad, here's the truth most people don't hear. Your color choices are extremely limited, and it depends on the manufacturer. Now I'm using a local zip code right here in the Triad and pulling directly from each manufacturer's website to show what's truly available locally. Not marketing charts, not national brochures, just real regional availability. Now let's start with a brand by brand breakdown. GAF Royal Salem, 25-year 3-tab. They offer 2 colors, charcoal and weathered gray. That's it. The IKO 25-year Marathon Plus, limited the same, dual black and weathered gray. If you step up to the Certainty 25-year AR, a few more colors. They have Dove Gray, Moray Black, Timber Blend, and Weathered Wood. What about Owens Corning, their 25-year Supreme? A few extra colors, Autumn Brown, Desert Tan, Driftwood, Estate Gray, and Onyx Black. So now you're up to 5 color choices. And finally, we're going to look at the Tamco Elite Glass Seal 25-year shingle. They have the most colors: Oxford Gray, Rustic Black, Rustic Cedar, Rustic Hickory, Shadow Gray, and Weathered Wood. That's it. There's no blues, no greens, no designer blends, no specialty colors. This is the full menu of shingles, 3-tab shingles, available here in the Triad. So wondering why this happens? Well, manufacturers restrict the 3-tab production to basic colors because the demand is so low compared to architectural shingles. Distributors, they stock what moves fast. Anything else just becomes special order, a higher cost and longer wait times. So if color matters to you even just a little bit, architectural shingles are the smarter choice. You get 3 to 5 times as many color options for a relatively small price difference and a much better long-term value. So if you're planning a roof replacement and want to see real samples of what's available right now, reach out. We'll verify local inventory before you commit so there are no surprises.